March the 1st. Consider what God has done. Who can straighten what he has made crooked? Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 13. God often seems to place his children in places of deep difficulty, leading them into a corner from which there is no escape. He creates situations that human judgment, even if consulted, would never allow. Yet the cloudiness of the circumstance itself is used by him to guide us to the other side. Perhaps this is where you find yourself even now. Your situation is filled with uncertainty and is very serious, but it is perfectly right. The reason behind it will more than justify him who brought you here, for it is a platform from which God will display his almighty grace and power. He not only will deliver you, but in doing so will impart a lesson that you will never forget. And in days to come, you will return to the truth of it through singing. You will be unable to ever thank God enough for doing exactly what he has done. We may wait till he explains, because we know that Jesus reigns. It puzzles me, but Lord, you understandest, and will one day explain this crooked thing. Meanwhile, I know that it has worked out your best. Its very crookedness taught me to cling. You have fenced up my ways, made my paths crooked, to keep my wandering eyes fixed on you, to make me what I was not, humble, patient, to draw my heart from earthly love to you. So I will thank and praise you for this puzzle, and trust where I cannot understand, rejoicing. You do hold me worth such testing. I cling the closer to your guiding hand. F.E.M.I.